Sorry, we were having some problems in morning due to technical issues. We can't have the PPTs. So here I'm having PPTs for you regarding this chapter. Okay. So here is the internal trade. We have discussed in morning that it is buying and selling of goods and services. Okay, within the geographical boundaries of the country, and it is also known as domestic trade. And in this, we have the payment from the home. Your domestic currency is there, which is being used for the purpose of of payment, buying and selling of goods and services. Okay, so that is what we do in case of your internal trade. Okay, now there is and we have two types of internal trade is there. One is your internal wholesale trade, and another is your retail trade. Okay, so what is the wholesale trade? Wholesale trade is a definition which is derived from the word wholesale, which means selling the goods relatively at large quantities or in bulk. Okay, so here it is a link between the producer and the consumer, and for this, the definition is being given by Evelyn Thomas, who says that wholesaler is neither a manufacturer nor a retailer. Okay, but it acts as a link between the manufacturer and the retailer. So we have discussed that point in the morning itself. Okay, so that is the another important aspect over here. Then another thing is that they are buying the goods from the producer and selling it to the retailers, and they are not the merchants, and they and other merchants, and they are not directly selling goods to the consumer. तो होलसेलर यहाँ पे आजकल जो आ रहे हैं जैसे अमेजन है या फ्लिपकार्ट है, इनको आप होलसेलर मानोगे, बट ये होलसेलर नहीं है, ये न्यू एज के रिटेलर हैं. ओके, that is the another important thing. Then there is characteristics of the wholesaler is there. Wholesalers buy directly from the producer, and they are buying goods in bulk quantities. Second important thing is they are acting as an agent, okay, and they have army of agents with them, and they stock large quantity of goods and supply or sell goods directly or through their agents in small quantities. Another important thing is that they are financially sound, okay, and they buy goods in cash from the manufacturer and sell to the retailers on credit basis. Another important thing is that the profit margin of wholesaler is not very high. It is comparatively less, but since they are buying the goods in large quantity, so that's the reason why they earn huge amount of profits. So sale volume बहुत ज़्यादा होता है इनका. The another important thing is that they are dealing in limited product line only. एक या दो different product lines में deal करेंगे. जैसे हमने morning में discuss किया था कि या तो oil में, कोई tea में, कोई cosmetics में, मतलब एक particular line में deal करेंगे. ऐसे नहीं कि different different products रखे होंगे जैसे एक retailer के पास रहते हैं. Okay. Another important thing is that they have their own warehouses, own transportation system. Godowns are there, so they can do packaging, grading, storage, transportation, various other activities which are required. तो ये important aspect है. Okay, फिर ये services क्या क्या देते हैं? Manufacturer को ये services दे रहे हैं कि that large scale production करने में help कर रहे हैं. Okay, they are reducing burden of storage of the manufacturer. They are another important thing is they are providing the market information to the manufacturers, and they are protecting them from the various types of risks, risk of obsoleteness, टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज हो जाती है, डिमांड चेंज हो जाती है, टेस्ट प्रेफरेंस चेंज हो जाते हैं, तो वो भी कौन लॉस बियर करता है? मैन्युफैक्चरर के साथ होलसेलर. फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं. समटाइम मैन्युफैक्चरर इज नॉट हैविंग सफिशिएंट अमाउंट ऑफ फंड्स, so the wholesaler is providing them the money to carry out the production activities or purchase of raw material for the goods and services to be produced. तो ये सारा काम होलसेलर कर रहे हैं, और ये कॉन्टिन्यूटी को मेंटेन करने में हेल्प करते हैं. फिर क्योंकि लार्ज ऑर्डर्स लेके देते हैं तो दैट हेल्प्स इन लार्ज स्केल प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द गुड्स। अब रिटेलर्स को क्या कहते हैं, ये सप्लाई डिफरेंट गुड्स, दे अरेंज गुड्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट मैन्युफैक्चरर्स एंड सप्लाई टू द रिटेलर्स। ओके, फिर उनकी स्टोरेज का जो बर्डन है वो भी ये खुद मैनेज करते हैं। ओके, एंड देन इट प्रोटेक्ट्स देम फ्रॉम वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ रिस्क आल्सो। They also provide the financial assistance. We have discussed all these points. I am just providing you the gist of the PowerPoint presentation, which we were going to use it for explanation purpose. But due to some technical problem, we can't use that. So here I am providing you that PowerPoint presentation. Okay. And so next in next lecture we will discuss the next point, that is who is a retailer. Okay, what is a retail trade? Retail trade हम थोड़ा सा डिस्कस कर लेते हैं कि retailer is a person who cuts down bulk into smaller quantities, smaller assortments में उसको divide करते हैं and then they provide it to the consumer for final consumption। कि wholesaler पास तो बहुत बड़ा बल्क होता है, वो होलसेलर से वो बल्क उठा के लाते हैं और उसको छोटे छोटे पैकेजेस में पैक करके और फिर फाइनल कंज्यूमर तक सप्लाई करते हैं। इस एक्टिविटी को करने वाले को हम क्या कहते हैं, रिटेल ट्रेड कहते हैं। दिस इज ऑल व्हाट आई हैव टू शेयर विद यू इन टुडेज पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन, एंड here is that PowerPoint presentation. Thanks.